You're able to see my screen, please let me know.
Yes, it is.
Okay, now we need to work with the add get. Okay, and now you will see what we will do there. Get and post. We need to do this. Please understand the concept so that when we'll get the access of our code, then you can able to understand things. Okay. Right now we don't know. Maybe they use some framework there, but basics are required. Okay.
Yes.
We are covering the language basics with in context of backend. Right now we need to work on this. Let's move forward for this. And here we need to discuss about three things. What is three things is there? This is a this get, and there is a post as well.
Another one is
Server.
third one is server.
You can, yes, you can consider this. Yes. Okay, so let's check this. How will use? So let's say this first. Echo get. Okay, now you let me save this and let's run this. Okay, go there. Let's run this. Warning array string convert. Okay, for that, this will not work like this way. For that, for each. Okay. Get as value, and here echo, you can say this get value at value. Okay, now there is no value, that's why it's not showing anything to us. Let's say name, location, then you're able to see location. If you want to pass anything else, let's say age, then let's say you can say email. Okay, now you're able to see everything. So this is a get method. With the help of that, you can get the parameter, query parameter passed in your this URL. Okay.
Okay.
Any question or concern, guys?
Sir, where we will get data? Currently, we are entering data in search bar.
Here you are getting the data. That's why you are able to display.
Okay.
If you are not able to understand, let me know. We can we write this code so that you can check the output there. Am I right? And you are getting the output. If you are not clear, I can. But we are getting this data. Am I right?
Okay, sir. No, I'm asking to you. A user enter his data as in a front end, and then we use get to grab this data on our console.
Yes. Yes, because we are working on a backend application. No,
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's for demo purpose only, but means you can use this data for query stuff, am I right? Or perform some another operation, validation thing. You can use for multiple places. Okay, this is a way to get our data, whatever users send to us in our code, in a PHP code. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now I understand.
Now, after this, we have this. We are good with this. Now, let's do one thing. Let me with this. And as we discussed, Bruno, because post you cannot done with this uh, browser. Post request you need to done with your this yeah, client. So this is Bruno, and let me do one thing with collection name is PHP post, and here new request HTTP. Okay, and the place of this get okay. You can say this that get example. Okay, now if you run this, then you are able to get this output there. Now what we need to do, let's convert this into clone this and post template. And now you need to change this to post, and here we don't require this. Now we need to currency. Now if you name location location and I can say this Gmail which okay, and because now we are using this this, let's check this how it looks. The place of this we'll use this the place of get. Let's check the green stuff. You're able to get this. So this is a post and get. Any question or concern, guys? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Let's try
Post
to
is
do
used
this.
post is used to send data PHP backend to our front-end server.
Both will work to send the data to the server. Okay. But one is secure and another one is not secure. So
Which one is secure?
post one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is a, let me remove this and check this. Is our body is also working there or not? No, body is not working. So there is a different way to pass this body. So which we will learn later. Okay. But for today, we are good with the get and post. Any question or concern, guys? No?
No, sir.
Okay, then we need to check the server. Let's say right now we have, oh, let me comment this and check the shell. First, we don't know. How we getting this? No, it's not working like this way. So body,
Sir, we use sorry, double quotes before email.
just check it. Before email. Oh, it's not working.
When we are making key and values, then there is problem
No
in
worries,
email.
no worries,
Okay.
no worries. Let's check this. How you can pass in the data for post. And from lab, but on this your post name. We are passing this way only. So this is for get example. We are good with a get post example. Submitting data, the first name, a post name. This server example, we are good there. Test data, okay. So, what is, what can we pass to data? We are passing this way only, but it's post. So, let's do one thing. Echo post. So, oh, yeah, Shankarnatan, okay. This is not a way. Let's do one thing. Let's do this. So, Lukanda key is 0. Okay. This, check this. And vendor key name. So, this is not working. So, I think the class is let's print and this post. No, 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 no. What can we do? Okay.
Sir, URL is correct.
URL is
Locate at the rate.
URL is not correct because we are okay. We need to check this from Bruno, not from. But here is also we are getting a line array. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Let me check how you can call this method so it will work. Mm. So PHP data. Mhm. We're doing same thing, but we're not getting any data there. Why? Hmm. Input to okay. This is a this is not a way to do that. This is a way to pass our body there. Name the book. Let's check this and here what we need to do. This. Cancel this email will not get. PHP API footer do this left mm, only post this and body JSON decode is fine there. JSON decode. Oh, mhm. Okay, okay. So to handle this, I think so we need to write some extra steps to not work similar way. For that, what we need to do here, we need to say data. is equal to JSON decode and file get contents, and here we will say PHP, and then after PHP we need to use this input. Whatever input we will get there, input you will get into, and this echo, then we need to do this. The place of this, we need to say data, and name. Okay, let's check this now. Trying to access array open, now value type is null. So why is it not working like this way? JSON decode. It's only JSON like this. Decode. Okay. Okay. So at the place of this, that can remove this and this name. We talk. No, guys, it's not working. What is the way to do this? There's somebody. There's somebody. No, it's not working. How it will work from URL encoder. Let me save this. HTML response, HTML, JSON. Okay. Post and body from data. Body from data. Write this and do book. Okay. And see that. Okay, everything is fine. Let's try to do this. We got quotation marks. Now it's working fine. There's an issue with key. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So your key also should be in a this right format because we are not iterating. So now you will iterate this. Then you will say for each And here we can say this as value. Not both, both value. That Hmm. Now it's working fine. Any question or concern, guys? Hello?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
please explain this and then I understand.
This
Quick
is a, you
explanation.
can say, because right now we are getting the value from users, am I right? And to handle JSON data in a PHP, first we need to convert that into array so that PHP can understand. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And this is a way to, you can say, get the value from your this input. That's it. We are getting the input from in a JSON format and converting that into in a associative array and iterating through the loop and printing the element. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So now I want to try one more thing. Let's say, let me comment this because early the issue of key only. Can try one more thing. Echo, you can set this as post and here you say name. Okay. And then let's post will not work on a browser. So name will not. So this is the right way. Okay. So we are good with this. If you need to work with a post, this is the way. Okay. Now we need to work on a server. So server here. Let's check this. So here we will say if server request method. Let me check this spelling here for request method. Underscore is there. Request method is equal to post. Then we will do here else if is else if this get. Then we will land here and you can compare multiple conditions here. So go post method and here thanks IAM post method IAM get method IAM get method. Okay.
So method spelling is wrong in 170 also. Request
Okay.
method.
Yes.
It's
That. Nice catch. Good catch. So now let's add column to elements. What is this? Encoder graph is principles. At servers. Okay, let's check this first here. What are the callback must have this main throw this first method. Function in wrong there. The first method equal to first. Let's check this. Let's check this. Okay, we are using curly braces, but it's a square bracket is required. That's a problem. To access the element, we require square bracket. Sorry, my bad. Okay, I am get method. If you check here, then you are able to see this I am a post method. So this is a way to deal with your server, and based on that you can work accordingly. Okay, so that if you, let's say, if user will return this, then you want to, let's say, whatever user is we are getting from user, let's return that. For that we will write a function like response. You can write in a same file or you can write in a different file. So it's totally up to you. Here we will say this status code, and you can say data. Whatever you want, you can do here. You understand my point? And here means yesterday what we will do there, we will define a header. And in a header, we will say content type colon application JSON. Okay, and here we can say return return, and for JSON we can say this decode after JSON encode JSON decode JSON encode, because we are returning to the client. For that, what we will do here, we will, you can say, pass our data, which we need to assume. Okay, so now here let's look with this code for our post method. Let's copy this, and here as well we need to do this. To do this. But we need to call this response, and the response, whatever value we will get, we will return that same value. Here, first we will check the status code. Status code is 200 here, and your whatever you will get as a response, you can say get, you are returning the same thing after converting. And here, whatever you are getting there, a response method, you can pass this as it. You can say this data. For data, you need to pass 401. And if you want to pass anything else, you can pass your own message as well. Let's say message, message is my user created successfully. Okay. And message, we are not using this message anywhere. So for that, okay, right now we don't require that. Let's check this first, our implementation, then we will introduce this other method. Leave it right now. Do that first, let's check this. So error, syntax error. Oh, where is that? Okay, this is not a way. Let me check that. What we will did for this header. JSON encoding format we said content type application header content type application. Okay, this is the right way. I am keeping this separate and this is separate, which is the wrong way to do that. It's the right way. So this is printing the things, but why is printing in this way? Application data JSON. What is the data there? Contain input view and this is the data. Now get method up here. Okay, add get is fine. So to get then response. So returning that. Let's check this data how it looks like. So data. Okay. And online okay, manage my first prepare. So for that we will say name. Location is printing. We are good with this. So before doing this, let's do one thing. Let's say dump this data. Where hmm. Oh, this is fine. we are good with this. Echo, we are good with this. Let's check what we will get there. You will say echo JSON and code and JSON and code and here. Okay. Oh, it's working fine. But why we're not able to get the return? Okay, my bad. It's returning. We need to print echo. Echo there, then it will print this. I'm not using echo here itself. Also using echo. Okay, let's check this. Now you are getting this data back. Okay, let me remove this here from here so that you can get the only one. It's there only. So this is good. Now we need to check with this as well. It's working there or not. It's also working. Okay, this is the issue of comment. If you will comment this, this will not come properly. Let me do that as well. Guys, any question or concern?
No, sir.
Appeal
No, sir. I will practice today. Then I will get more clarity on this.
means you can divide this code into a separate file as well. In assignment, you will learn that. If you do your assignment, then you will learn. Okay.
Okay.
So let me stop. Let's stop the recording first.